Nice one, cool dudes. Yes, I'm at Yarmouth, and that is the ferry to Lymington, but I'm not getting on that. I'm going to do a short Yarmouth circular walk from this book, A Walker's Guide to the Isle of Wight by Martin Collins and Norman Birch. This was very kindly given to me by cool dude Jimena. Thank you. This is a 3.5 mile walk to Fort Victoria and back round. Alright, let's go on with it. Good luck everyone, especially me. At least 25 pigeons. They need to electrify that roof. The weather's been so bad here recently, they're building a new ark. I've already booked my place. I'm going to do the walk in reverse to the recommended route to save the bit by Fort Victoria till last. Very wise. I'll bore off, mate. I'm just trying to help people sunglasses, Marek. This is the 21st century. No one helps anyone anymore. It's a very boggy path here, cool dudes, for quite some way, I think. So I'll take this opportunity to ask you, as it is the Yuletide season, what were your favourite ever Christmas presents? Please write them below. My favourites are probably a ventriloquist doll made by Pelham Puppets, which was really cool. I called him Theodore, but I wasn't able to do the ventriloquism very well. I don't know why I'm putting this voice. Does it look like I'm talking? Please write yours below. One of the Christmas presents I always wanted that never got was the Mr. Freeze classic snowman. Did you ever have that present? And what are the things that you always wanted that are advertised on TV? Also, Stretch Armstrong from the Argos catalogue. Never got him either. Great views of the Needles in the distance. I'll take a picture of it on my camera for you. Linstone Chine holiday village. Looks pretty nice. Going up this way. There, just across the water, is Hurst Castle, which featured in a previous video. You never look at me when I talk to you anymore. Look at me! Look at me! This is Sconce Point, cool dudes, where there's been coastal defences here since the early 16th century. The best thing about this place is being able to say Sconce Point, one of my new favourite place names. Try saying it at home. Sconce Point. Pretty good, right? Look at this for a terrifying sea monster. Imagine one of those in your bath. This is Fort Victoria here. On a good day, you could probably hit the Isle of Wight ferry with that. fact here. The zone has a depth of 59 metres between here and Hurst Castle. An unusual place to spot a tractor, but it is still points in the Spotter's Handbook app. Make sure you download yours in the links below. It's absolutely free. Cool cafe here called the Boathouse, unfortunately is also closed. Here's a question, cool dude. What are these things? I don't understand. There's a few of them. Please write your answers below. If you go onto the sand dunes, there is no route back to Yarmouth, so you have to come back onto the road and walk across the bridge. Good facts. Nice one, cool dude. That is the walk complete. About 2.5 hours, 4.5 miles. I thoroughly recommend doing the bit that isn't coastal first for a lovely walk along the Yarmouth coast to return. Does that make sense? Not really. If you enjoy that walk, you can always join the Cool Dudes Walking Club and see more videos, get to use these emojis and help support me to make more videos. Also, you can enter the prize draw, which takes place at the end of every video. Alright, that's about it, cool dudes. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, one more thing. Stay cool. Oh, what a beautiful walk. And yes, a quite beautiful painting. It is very difficult to do the sun. You can get this on eBay, starting price £9, link above. Alright, cool dudes, it's time for the prize draw. Also, there will be a Christmas video coming later on in the week, as some people have requested me to go around Busy Bee, and I've gone around St Helens Christmas lights. 2 very short, sort of not really walks in one Christmas walk. And there'll be a bumper prize draw for the members only, and a video for the members only next week, just before Christmas. In the meantime, this prize draw is for all this cool stuff. The strawberry laces, some cool art from Cat Kizik Art, a card from Stripey Art, keyring from Cow's Laser, snowman keyring, stickers, badges, Spotter's Handbook, and Pooh Man cards. I really want to win that prize. Currently, there are 456 of you cool dudes keeping me afloat. So, it's time to ask. Random number generator, generate me a number. Generate 66. The person who's been a member for the 66th longest amount of time, 25 months, is, well, their YouTube name is Ballbags. If that's you, Ballbags, can you please email me at calldudeswalkingclub@gmail.com and I will send you that stuff. Also, don't forget, I've done a painting video on my other Marek channel, and I've got a plan for more videos on there next year. I'm nearly at 10,000 followers on that channel, so please, if you've got time, subscribe to me on that channel as well. That would really help me out. That's it. Merry Christmas to everyone. Thank you so much everyone who's joined and supported me this year doing this channel. Have a great Christmas holidays. Oh yeah, one more thing. Stay cool.